taco enchilada. Dami tayo nito. Nandito ako seasoning. Ayan, I have a whole chicken breast, so I cook it first and boil it, and then I chew it. That's why I still have 2 forks in here. Then I'm gonna add a taco seasoning. Earlier, I add a onions and garlic as well. Alright, going to have this. And tacos, zero. We have to spread it. Let's see how many that we can put 8 tacos in here, or the flour tortillas. We're gonna use the cheddar cheese this time because I thought that I have a Mexican cheese. So that I would need to put some pepper. Sprinkle the black pepper. Just like that, then roll it. Then we're gonna put some cheese later. We're gonna put right here, and we're gonna fill it up. And put some a little bit here and spread it. Just the way. It's supposed to be fried beans. I have a video long time ago. I make an enchilada, cheese enchilada, and I use refried beans. But I thought that I have a refried beans in my pantry, but I think I'm out. I think I used it last time when I'm having a tacos. We're having tacos. All right. You can put also cheese on the top and the sprinkle on the when you're done. Sprinkle on the top as well. So just a little. So option number 3. There we go. We make a bunch of it. So we have a sauce that left. So we're gonna pour it out. And of course we're gonna put more cheese. Then we're gonna bake it in 375 to 15 minutes because the chicken is already cooked. There we go. Our enchilada. We're gonna bake it for 375 and 15 minutes. So yun na. Guluto na yung ano natin. So buksan natin. So we have to open now. There you go. Yay! Oh, just 18 minutes.
Yeah.
I don't really care about enchiladas. All I care about is the pancit and meat.
Ooh, the enchiladas! There you go.
Okay.
That's my taster.
Luke?
Oh, look at how cold that.
You got a lot of food.
I know.
So lucky. You get special food every day.
How's the chicken? Oh, the noodles. Yep.
No.
Guys,
You gonna argue with Jesus?
I don't like
What did you
I don't know what I said. He said, you know how Jesus was 100% God and 100% human? And I turned and I said, Marnelli, are you gonna argue with Jesus?
No.
Okay.
But I'm Filipina.
And American.
No.
Yeah? No, we were open borders back then.
No, you weren't. I don't think they know what the concept of open borders is.
It's not?
Especially Michigan, right?
You said fantastic.
Okay, you're qualified.
We didn't answer your question.